talk about Coriolis effect. It is a natural phenomena that differ when you are in a different hemisphere. The farther you are in the equator, the faster the rotation is. The closer you are in the equator, the slow it goes. Coriolis effect is not the spinning of the Earth. It is an effect on which our local sun, on that ether, is circulating. When our local sun passes through our atmosphere, it always affects on our ether, sending swires of solar energy waves out. And no, it's not a measure of Earth's spin. It is a measure of our ether spin. So when you watch any news during any hurricane or even typhoons, you will see spinning or big storm spins, especially over time as it travels. When you are in northern hemisphere, the spin rotation is counterclockwise. When you are in southern hemisphere, its spinning is clockwise. Storms spins in different direction depending on its location. The storm's rotation is what we call the Coriolis effect that causes fluids, water, and air to curve as they travel, especially across or above ether. On a flat Earth model, the sun spinning constantly around its own axis, depending which season sun is in. Now, since Earth is flat, it is wider on the round far distance than the points around the poles. So the center of every hurricane is an area with a very low pressure. The higher pressure air surrounding, especially the center of what we call the eye of the storm, is then rushing towards the low pressure, especially the void in the middle. The rotation of our local sun causes currents in our ocean to flow in a circular motion, which help distribute heat around to regulate our climate. It doesn't make sense on a globe Earth. It only works in a flat plane surface. Let's use airplane as an example. An airplane can only land safely on a runway that is stationary. The airplane's orientation and motion is always along its landing path. So when the runway is moving, as you said, we are wobbling at a different angle or a different speed, all the planes will crash on the ground. Assalamu alaikum.